Welcome to the Focus First YouTube tutorials. My name is Jonathan DeLeon and I'm the Business Development Manager at Focus First as well as your guide today. In this video we're going to go over the Visual Home Value Report's controls and how to use them to create the report that you want to make. So let's jump into it. The Visual Home Value Report is an awesome new way for you to connect with customers and really start that sales dialogue from that expert advisor position. Now in order to navigate to that, all you have to do is click on the Visual Home Value button here, which will open up your report. Now the beautiful thing about the Visual Home Value Report is there's a lot of things that you can change and customize on it. Let's say you wanted to change this banner text or the color, or you wanted to put your own agent information in, whether it be name, email, phone number, or you wanted to add a logo down here. Maybe you want to change this message. Maybe you want to change the scattergram. All of that is supported and very easy to do. Okay, in order to change most of the things in the graph, which would be colors, fonts, and the agent information, with the Visual Home Value Report open on the screen, you'll see this control up here that says Customize Report. When I click on that, it opens a dialog box that allows me to change the agent name, the agent email, phone, the logos, which are in this case called user graphics. You can change the banner color, you can change the banner font, and you can change that messaging at the bottom. Now, you can also change the banner text here. Just to note, the standard default will be whatever information you put in when you click Start here and load your pricing data in for the area. That will be the standard text. But you can always change this to include your customer's name or a specific address if you wanted to. Now, this here will change every time that you run a VHV. Because obviously it's probably going to be new information and new data you're uploading. The area down here that's in this customized template box, which includes your agent name and logo and this sign-off message, when you click Save as Template, it will stay and be there every time you run a VHV. That way you don't have to constantly be adding your information again. Now I'm just going to demonstrate here very quickly, changing the banner color. Right now it's orange. Let's say we wanted to go to red. All you have to do is click OK and click Save as Template, and you'll see it now change, and it will now be standard that it will create that automatically. Now, while you can't change these three graphs here, which all show the last 12 months of neighborhood patterns and activity, we do have the scattergram here, which you can change very easily into your custom scattergram. Now, in order to do that, all you have to do is have that scattergram open, and a new control in the ribbon will appear that's called Change Graph. Go into pricing here and go into the tab to show my graph here. You'll see that the new control that opens actually is called Add to VHV. If I click this, it'll open up a dialog box that says, would you like to add this? Are you sure? Click yes, and you'll see now the scattergram will change to that scattergram that I created. Now, one thing that you want to note on this, when you change this over and bring this over, the scattergram itself will come over with the properties you add. But if you do have text boxes on here, those will not come over with the scattergram. The reason why is it gets a little small, and sometimes those text boxes will run over each other, and then you won't have the same functionality on a normal scattergram where you can drag and drop and move those text boxes on this smaller graphic. But again, this is meant to be a conversation starter, so a simpler image with a little bit less information has kind of been proven to be more effective. So in this case, that won't be copied over, but when you update your scattergram, the rest of it will. Now in order to print this, all you have to do is hit Control P or File Print, which will open your print window. And then you'll see here it lays out very well into 2 pages or a front and back printout. Those are the basic controls of the VHV and how you can customize your agent information as well as change the scattergram graph. We really hope that this report is going to be something that really is a great way for you to stay in contact with your customers, stay top of mind, and be that expert advisor. Hopefully this video helped you learn the Focus First pricing tool. If you want to see more videos like this and additional videos we release, make sure you subscribe to our Focus First YouTube channel. Thanks for being here, and I'll see you next time.